Wyoming is getting into the nuclear power business with a $1 billion Natrium Advanced Nuclear Power Plant. Wyoming Governor Mark Gordon announcing that the state is partnering with tech mogul Bill Gates.
Nuclear power, once written off as too risky and too expensive, is suddenly back in the spotlight. Bill Gates is building next-generation reactors. Wall Street is pouring in billions, and uranium prices up 40% this year alone. So why is nuclear making a comeback, and who's really cashing in? So here's the problem. The world wants clean, reliable energy, but solar and wind can't fill that gap alone. As coal plants shut down and electricity demand soars, thanks to AI data centers, EVs, and electrification, nuclear is looking like the only way to keep the lights on without burning more fossil fuels. Enter Bill Gates and TerraPower. Gates' company is building a new breed of nuclear reactor in Wyoming, smaller, safer, and designed to run on spent fuel. The goal? To prove nuclear can be fast, cheap, and meltdown-proof. If it works, it could be the blueprint for the world. But Gates isn't alone. NuScale Power is the first U.S. company to get approval for its small modular reactor design. Their tech is being exported to Poland, Romania, and beyond. The stock's up 60% in January. Cameco is the world's top uranium producer. Q1 revenue jumps 26% to $687 million, with net earnings up 70%. The stock has more than doubled in 2 years. Then there's Constellation Energy, America's largest nuclear operator, running 21 reactors. Their clean energy sales just hit $6.2 billion last quarter, and the stock is up 35% this year. And it's not just investors, governments are finally on board. The US, UK, and even Japan are pouring billions into nuclear innovation. New subsidies, tax breaks, and fast-tracked approvals are making it easier to build reactors than at any time in the last 40 years. But let's be real, nuclear still faces big hurdles: cost overruns, waste storage, and public fear. But with climate deadlines looming and the grid under strain, the nuclear revival is real and the money is following fast. So next time you see a cooling tower or hear about a new power plant, remember, nuclear isn't just back, it's at the center of the world's next energy revolution. And for investors, the atomic age might just be getting started. We just did a full report on nuclear stocks for our members. If you're interested in becoming a StockShares member, hit the link in the bio and sign up today.